So, a pleasant day. For today's topic, we are going to discuss about lesson 3.4 about ranks, position, staffing pattern, and job description. So, first concept, rank and position. The organization of private security agencies, company guard forces, and government security units are patterned from the organizational structures of the PNP and AFP. And security officers and personnel are to distinguish by means of ranks and position. So, means that itong organization of private security agencies, government security units, and guard forces, no, yung organizational structure nila is similar or copied to the PNP and AFP. But nagkakaiba lang sila in terms of the ranking and position of their officers. So, the ranks and position described in this lesson are in accordance with the Section 1, Rule 7 of the Republic Act 5047. It is mandated that the security agency operator or owner must observe the required major ranks and position in the organization of the agency. Ngayon, discuss natin yung yung organizational structures of the security agency. So it has three branch. We have security management staff, the line leadership staff, and security guard. Uh, and each of those branch meron siyang three personnel na having or has their own ranks and position. Unique rank and position. So, first, dito tayo sa security management staff. No? Ang head nila is itong agency manager or chief security officer. No? Meron siyang rank of security director. Second is security executive director has the position of assistant agency manager or assistant chief security officer. Second is security staff director as the position of the staff director for operation and staff director for administration. Second, line leadership staff. First, rank of security supervisor 3, position of detachment commanders, and security supervisor 2, position of chief inspector, and security supervisor 1 has the position of inspector. Next is security guard. We have security guard 1, no? Position of watchman guard, security guard 2, chief in charge, security guard 3, post in charge. No? So next is security consultant is optional but must possess all qualification listed in section 6, rule 3 of RA 5487. So next, the staffing and job description. The structure of PSA, CSF, and GSU also follows vertical line staff model. The pattern of staffing and their respective job descriptions are based on Section 2, Rule 7 of RA 5487. Next, we're going to tackle their um, respective or different function in the security force. No? You have first security management staff and agency manager, chief security officer. He is responsible for the entire operation and administration management of the security agency and directly responsible to the agency operator owner board of directors. No, so itong agency manager, no, has the responsibility na sa pagpapatakbo ng operasyon, management at administration ng security agency at siya rin ang haharap, no, so sa agency owner or operator. Next is assistant agency manager assists the agency manager and takes the operational and administrative management when the manager is absent. So, ang function ng nitong assistant agency manager is yun nga, to assist the agency manager if or absent or hindi available yung agency manager. So, siya ngayon ang kapatuloy sa function ng agency manager sa in terms of operational and administrative management. Next is security staff director for operation. The staff assistant for the efficient operation for the agency. It includes canvassing of client and the implementation of contract and agreement. Is also responsible for the conduct of investigation uh, and the conduct of training. So, security staff director for operation. So, ang gawin niyo ito is, isa sa mga trabaho niya is to canvassing of client and the contractization and implementation of the agreement, and also having the function of conducting of investigation and training. Next is security staff director for administration. He is the assistant for the effective and efficient administration and management of the agency. Now, he is also responsible for the professionalization of the personnel procurement, recruitment, confirming of awards, mobility, and issuance of firearms. No? So, ngayon is security staff director for administration naman. No? So, ngayon has the responsibility of assisting um, the agency manager in terms of administration. So, pagdating ng professionalization of their personnel, also the recruitment, the confirming of hours, and also he's the one who issued the firearms of the security personnel. Itong security staff director, siya rin yung nag-assist sa agency manager in terms sa operation and administration. Kumbaga siya nagbibigay ng advice